Good morning, campers. I'll keep this short. I'm still running out of memory on my phone. So today, hiking to at least Lost Mountain Shelter, 13.2 miles. As you can see, it's very foggy up here. I'm just leaving Thomas Knob Shelter. I only saw 2 ponies yesterday, a mother and her little baby foal, but I got to scratch the foal on the head. Mother didn't seem to care what I was doing. So anyway, mostly downhill, a little bit uphill, but not bad today. If I can get to Lost Mountain Shelter by, say, 3 o'clock, 3:30 at the very latest, I may push on to a tent site a few miles farther down, just to save me those miles tomorrow so I can get into the hostel earlier. Otherwise, tomorrow is like a 15-mile day. So, all right, I gotta wind my way up through these trees uphill. And the trail's kind of rocky, so I'm gonna let you go, save space on my phone, try to take photos as much as possible, a video if I see something real interesting, but gotta save the space until I can get these files off my phone. I just wanted to point out that the trail is covered in leaves again. And these trees, a lot of these have already turned color. They've already dropped their leaves. And this is how the trail was when I started, in the middle of Virginia, the beginning of April. So it's kind of interesting. I feel like it's kind of come full circle a little bit. Started out with leaves all over the trail, and I'm going to be ending up with leaves all over the trail. Right on the trail. Oh boy. I gotta walk right past that guy now. That cow is hiking the Appalachian Trail. It's literally hiking down the trail. That cow's traveling light. I don't see a backpack. She's heading down the trail. Maybe she'll give me a ride. Can I hop on for a ride? She's still going down the trail. Or he. I don't know how to tell the difference. Cows like the trail too, apparently. Ooh, big pile of poop. Oh, whoa, Jesus. Hi guys. I'm just walking down the trail like you. I gotta get by. Do you mind? I don't eat cows. It's okay. You got your friends over there. Can I go by, please? Can I go by? Well, you're a female. You have udders. Okay, I'm going to sneak by. I don't want you kicking me. I got to get by you somehow. Okay, I'm going to go this way. Okay? Goodbye, sweetie. Oh, I'm going around you. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you for letting me by. Goodbye. Nothing too exciting except for that Close EnCOWnter of the Bovine Kind. Close EnCOWnter. Okay. Anyway, this is where I'm going to camp. I'll give you a little quick tour. The AT is actually up on the hill up here. And you can't quite see it behind that tree line, but it goes uphill up there. I just took this little side trail down here. There's a little area. You can see there's a campfire ring over here that someone's put together. There's another one over here. Back there's a river. That bridge is the Virginia Creeper Trail. So I'm kind of at the junction of the Creeper Trail and the AT. And I decided to come down here. And I'm going to tent right here. This is going to be my last night in my tarp tent Double Rainbow LI. I am picking up my new Durston X-Mid 2 Pro tent tomorrow in Damascus. And I plan on using that for the rest of my trip for the last six weeks or so, to give it a good, trial and really put it through its paces so I can offer a review of the tent. So anyway, Looks like a nice spot. I'm not in the middle of nowhere. I doubt there's probably bear problems here, but I'll still be careful. And it's, you know, it's like 4:30, so plenty of time to do what I need to do. I could have gone a little farther. Some of the tent sites, the reviews were kind of, I don't know, touch and go. I wasn't real confident, so I thought I'll just stop here. So stopping here, this saves me about 3 miles, 2.5, yeah, maybe 2.5 to 3 miles of hiking tomorrow. So instead of like a 15-mile day, it'll be like a 12.5, 13-mile day or something like that. So anyway, I'm going to go to bed early, and I'm going to get up early, and I want to get into Damascus early afternoon, you know, shortly after lunchtime, maybe have lunch, go pick up my boxes, and go check into the hostel. So anyway, that's it. That was today. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow.